Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Esther, and this is just a space where I do whatever. I'm calling it my digital diary. So if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? What's good? Sorry. So today is Saturday, 8th of February. I'm hoping I do actually upload this video and actually take the video, but today's Saturday. It's one of those stay home and just take care of. Oh, I need to wash my face. Oh, okay. It's one of those stay home and just take care of yourself kind of day. So I just put laundry in the bathroom to soak, and I'm thinking of cleaning the bathroom as well. So you guys might just join me for that. I wanna wash. I wanna make izolo benkipe chicken gizzards to cook last night, and I didn't cook them, and they definitely defrosted, so I have to cook them now. Not sure when I eat them, but I'm gonna cook them right now. Y'all might actually join me, so I was thinking of making like a mashed potato kind of vibe with carrots on the side and then the gizzards. Yeah, we'll see what I decide to do. But yeah, spend the day with me just doing chores, I guess. If I have enough strength, I want to start one of my books. I haven't started, and I told myself I'm gonna read at least one book every month that is not biblical or work related, just purely reading a book. It could be fiction or non-fiction, but I have to read at least 12 books by the time this year is ended. So I already started. So the problem with me is I'll find a book and then start it. So I have already 3 books that I've started but not finished. So I've got this one, which is called Dear Child, right? Then I've got one in my laptop bag, 1,000 Splendid Suns, and then I've got Masters of the Economy on my desk right now. I managed to get through chapter 1, but I was given this book last year for my birthday, so I'm thinking it needs to be within the first 3 books that I read. So between those 3, those are the books that I need to start with. But we'll see. I'm thinking you guys should let me know if you guys want like read with me videos. So I'm thinking of doing that on like TikTok, where I'll read the book obviously, and then if I have any like reactions and stuff like that, then I'll film that kind of thing throughout the book. But I'm not sure. Book TikToks is such a niche area to the point where I'm not even sure if my people are on book TikTok, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, anyways, so yeah, that's the morning, and already we're starting off on a bad note because I haven't refilled my water and it's already 9 o'clock. Not great. So yeah, I'm actually babbling at this point. Anyways, yeah, I actually don't have an intro. But yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther, for those who don't know me. Welcome. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any comments, comment down below. If you just want to pop a heart in the chat, comment down below. Yeah, and I also might do my hair today. It's one of those weekends where you just want to get yourself together, because you don't want to see that right now. You'll see that eventually. You'll see it eventually.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you. like freedom. Can you hear it? It's time to celebrate. There's a party in the heavens every single time it's in the city. I was lost and never found you, got me on, we can celebrate. I was lost and never found you, got me on, we can celebrate. I was lost and never found you, got me on, we can celebrate. You are my father. Abba, you are my father. Abba, you are my father. Abba, you are my father. You are there for me. You've always been there for me, for me, for me, for me, for me.
Guys, I just finished cooking, right? And the problem here is that mina mangenza content and a charge phone. So unfortunately my phone died whilst filming, but this is the plate. I'll show you guys the plate. So I made the rice, gizzards with carrots, onions, tomatoes, and who are you if you do not put mayonnaise with your rice? so I put mayonnaise as well. But yeah, I'm eating now. I'm gonna watch something else I eat, and then I'm gonna go do the laundry and clean the kitchen. Bathroom, not the kitchen, the bathroom. It's currently 11:38, so we're holding steady. Our pace is okay. The sun is coming out as well, so I'm hoping to have put the clothes out by 2 latest. But yeah, I don't understand. Anyways, guys, I'm back. So it's currently 2:45, 10 to 2, and a few minutes ago I hung up the clothes, and now I decided I'm not going to clean the kitchen because I'm lazy, but I am finishing up with my hair. Can you guys see that? Oh my days, she's going through it right now. She's tangled. So I'm not even gonna do this on camera because I am too embarrassed. Anyways, I'm going to detangle my hair and basically put it into like these bantu knots so that I can prepare for work as well. I don't think I'm gonna style it or anything like that, but so that it's just manageable for work. I'll probably continue the vlog later, but as for now, I'm just chilling, watching TV and detangling my hair. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back. It's actually the next day and I didn't continue vlogging, but these are the bantu knots that I have put together. I'm still deciding what I'm actually going to do with myself for this week, but I actually have a client coming. It's currently 8:23 or something, and he is doing corners. I'm gonna ask him if I can vlog. If not, just a heads up. So yeah, that's what's happening today. Today's Sunday, so I'm hoping I'm gonna do that. I actually clean the bathroom today, then get ready because I want to go for the afternoon service at 5 at church. And yeah, probably take you guys with me for that one as well. But we're here. If you're still watching the vlog, shout out to you because this is a mess. This is a mess, and I am okay with it. If you're not, I'm sorry, but this is life. Like I said, this is a digital diary. Whatever happens, whatever doesn't happen. And we move on. It's life. Anyways, let me stop babbling. What are you doing today?
It's something. Something is blowing.
I have it on picture.
Yeah. I'll send you this so that you could show it as well.
Please show the people.
Oh,
My phone is way too dark.
I don't know.
Oh, I can see it. Yeah, I can see it.
But you can also attach it, like
Beautiful.
take a picture.
Wow.
That's a lot of artwork.
That is
Yeah. So you see this small one at the side, then you can shuffle this one.
So we're not including these lines at the side, right? We're starting here. This is your style animation coming up.
Yeah. Wouldn't this one? Because it's gonna be short, I guess.
Because the thing is, I'm not sure. Let's say this is the half line,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
All of these lines that are coming out, they're gonna come and attach here, right?
Here on this one.
Yes.
At the back.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I was just thinking about the side one, but there's nothing here because it's looking at this one. Okay, makes sense.
I mean, I can fit fit it in
Because my hair is not
if we
straight.
want this to be straight. If we're saying we want this to be straight and not include, but it's gonna be quite a.
It's really small.
It's gonna be small. It's not gonna reach the back. That's the thing.
Okay.
I think we can.
You can check. You can check. You see what one works. But if you don't include it, it's fine. They're
Okay.
useless.
That's what's useless. Okay. Okay. That's good. I'm not done with his hair, and he's saying that this looks nice the way it is.
I must leave it like this. I must consider. I must consider leaving it like this.
Let's
You
see.
If my hair was like grown here.
Get it put on the side.
Yeah.
I mean, in the middle, you know, and then. It's done with his hair. How do you feel?
Yeah. It was war, but we pulled through. This is the results.
Please give us a 360.
You must buy that thing.
Yes.
Some background music.
It does the job.
Yeah.